Hi everybody, it's the Yuki once again giving you guys today's video. Today, we got for you the indie game draw result from yesterday. And I have some rules when it comes to this. But first, if you guys are interested, the Barcelona video is almost done. But I cannot give it to you yet because I want to make sure it's perfect. Remember, that is a travel blog, considering all things considered. So I have to be very careful with this one. This is a special video. Also, future videos with the travel blogs are going to be members first. If you are a member of the YouTube channel, you get to see it first. If you are not, you have to wait. That's how it's gonna go, unfortunately. The first few are gonna be easy, are gonna be for free. The next few are gonna be members first. Alright, let's get into the result of the draft. The first game that was drafted, because I mentioned this game already, is going to, and then I'm going to be introducing the rules. Temtem is going to be the first one, could be starting as soon as next Wednesday, which is January 3rd. Cat Quest is in 2nd February. Wildcat Gun Machine is in April. Keep in mind, everything that you see here is going to be estimates and draft play. I'll explain that in a moment. Coming in 4th is Curse to Golf, April. Coming in 5th, picked 5th, is Nexomon Extinction in May. Poppy Playtime, this is the only one that could be interesting. I'm going to explain why in a moment. June, The Vanishing of Evan Carter, June. Pal World, June. Wild True Learn, that's the computer science thinking gaming, June. Excuse me, July. Spirit of the North is in July. Human Resource Machine is another one of those computer science games. I could see this being replaced, but you never know. August. Number 12, the last to be picked in terms of the main. Tape to Tape, August. Now, obviously, all of these are estimates. The first backup game, if needed, is Cassette Beast. The second one is Cave Story. The third one is Monster Sanctuary. And then undrafted is Amnesia Rebirth and Brothers of a Tale of Two Sons. Not two boys. I made a mistake there. Okay, here are the rules. And this is important because I have some rules and I have some ways to make it more interesting. The first rule, in order for it to count, I have to play at least twice, meaning we must have at least two streams of said game in order for us to make a decision on said game. For example, I'm going to pick a random game here. Let's just say that the current game is Cat Quest. Okay, the one in second place. We have played twice already. Let's just say, for example. And now it's time to vote. You have an opportunity to vote on if you like Cat Quest or you do not like it. If I see a consensus that you like it, I'm gonna keep playing it. Okay, that's the thing. Once you say yes that you guys like it, I'm gonna keep playing it until the end. Keep in mind, I do not have to 100% these games. I just have to finish it. Okay, that's the rule. If, however, in the vote you said no, you do not like Cat Quest, for example, then what's gonna happen is you guys are gonna vote again. But you're going to vote on a backup game. So we're going to replace Cat Quest with one of those three backup games: Cassette Beast, Cave Story, and Monster Sanctuary. The winner of that vote will be replacing the game. For example, Cat Quest. Let's just say, for the sake of example, that Cassette Beast was selected. So now we have to play two streams of Cassette Beast. We're gonna vote again. If you say yes, we're gonna keep it, and we have to finish it now. because it was a backup game. No more voting there. However, if you do not like the cassette beast and you say no, we're gonna vote again. This time you're voting for a Misery Bird or Tale of Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. Then the winner of that vote gets selected. But the difference is I have to finish it now. So let's just say we went from Cat Quest to Cassette Beast, and then let's say Amisha Rebirth gets selected for the undrafted. That means not only have to play it twice, I have to finish it. It does not have to be only two streams. It has to be finishing the game, any percent. So you could see an undrafted game all of a sudden get on the board. That's how wild the rules are. Also, there's another thing. Let's say we finish the 12 and we want more games. Then any backup games or any undrafted games will be put on the board right away. The order will change because we're going to draft again. Okay? And then I'm going to add more games if we finish those lists. So there's a few moving parts here when it comes to the game. So where are we playing this? We are playing this on Livespace. I am called Yuki Productions there on Livespace. So I would like to present that to you now. So this is my channel here on Livespace. So Livespace, live.space/Yuki Productions. But I have already posted that we are playing Temtem. July 3rd. I mean July. June 3rd, excuse me. January 3rd, excuse me. So yes, we are going to be playing this game. We're going to launch with this game on Livespace, and I have just activated Restream. So we are also on Facebook and YouTube. And now, keep in mind, we're only doing this for the month of January when it comes to the whole Restream thing with Facebook. Um, we will only be on Livespace with content on YouTube starting in February. So keep that in mind. I'll explain more later. Okay? And if you want to learn more about Livespace, here's my video for you. We are also playing on Yuki's Indie Game Zone, which I would like to present to you now for this video. So we're going to be playing live here as well. Okay? At least for the month of January. Alright? So that's it for the draft. I hope you guys are ready for the indie games on Livespace and YouTube and Facebook for the month of January. And then we go straight to Livespace and content on YouTube in February and beyond. Coming up soon, we're going to have the Barcelona Day 1 video. That's going to be a lot of fun to make and to play with. I cannot wait to give it to you. And yeah, enjoy. And as we always say, bon voyage. We'll see you guys soon.